Union Home Minister Amit Shah will chair the 69th plenary session of North-Eastern Council to be held in Shillong on the 23rd and 24th of this month. The meeting will be attended by the Minister of State Independent Charge, Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region, and Vice Chairman Dr. Jitendra Singh and members of North-Eastern Council consisting of governors and chief ministers of the 8 North-Eastern states and other members. Senior officials from the states and key ministries of the Government of India are also expected to be present on the occasion. Minister of State in charge Development of North-Eastern Region Dr. Jitendra Singh held a meeting on 19th January 2021 with senior officers of Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region and North-Eastern Council in New Delhi to review the preparedness and modalities for the 69th plenary session of North-Eastern Council at Shillong. During the two-day session, there will be presentations from the Ministry of Donor, NEC, the state governments, as well as selected central ministries on various developmental initiatives and future plans for the North-Eastern region. The plenary is expected to deliberate on the progress of ongoing projects, confirmation of the 68th plenary meeting, outlays by central ministry in the North-Eastern region and plans for the period beyond March 2021 during the term of the 15th Finance Commission. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has informed that the delegation would also discuss the interstate boundary rule with neighbouring Assam and necessary amendments in the 6th schedule of the Constitution with the Home Minister. In addition, the minister would also discuss the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule.